Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize online courses with CreativeLive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your online courses with CreativeLive, start by creating engaging content. Identify the specific topics and skills that resonate with your target audience. Research successful courses in your niche for inspiration and insights. Plan your course structure with clear objectives and a logical flow. Break down complex topics into manageable modules or lessons. Incorporate multimedia elements such as videos, slides, and downloadable resources. Utilize high-quality visuals and professional audio to enhance production value. Engage students with interactive components like quizzes and assignments. Foster a sense of community by encouraging discussions among participants. Regularly update your course materials to reflect new trends and information. Leverage CreativeLive's built-in tools for effective marketing and promotion. Optimize your course title, description, and tags for search visibility. Utilize social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Gather feedback from students to make necessary improvements. Analyze your course performance metrics to understand engagement levels. Adjust your marketing strategies based on student behavior and preferences. Consider offering live sessions or Q&A opportunities to enhance learning experiences. Collaborate with other instructors or industry experts for co-promotions. Continuously refine your teaching style based on student interactions and feedback. Implement a strong call to action at the end of your course to encourage future engagement. Monitor competing courses continuously to identify gaps and opportunities. Stay connected with your audience even after course completion for retention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.